Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salah Ahmed and I'm gonna present about the accounting project which is titled by Zareen's Bake Heaven. So Zareen's Bake Heaven is a newly established bakery located on 12 Jalan Kempang 3, Tamanseri Basteria in Kajang, Selangor. So the bakery established is a variety of a baked goods using fresh integers and classic baking methods to ensure the quality and taste and the taste. So whether you are buying bread for the family or placing a bulk order for a cafe, Varian's Baked Heaven has something for everyone. Okay, so our vision is to become the neighborhood's favorite bake shop in the town. We need them to know that we are known for bringing happiness and equality through every bite. So our mission is to offer a fresh and affordable products daily and maintain a clean and efficient operation and provide the excellent customer service. And we also support the local events and small businesses through a custom and bulk orders. Okay, so Zareen's Bake Heaven offers a wide selection of products including bread such as white loaves, soft rolls, and we have also buns. We offer also cake, cookies, and we have the pastries, which is an egg tarts like croissants and like a creamy puffs. For our services, we provide the custom cake orders for birthdays and events. We have also bulk orders for cafes and cooperative gifts, and we have a gift boxes during any festival seasons, and we have both dine-in and takeaway services, and we pre-orders through the social media with weekends delivery in selected areas. Okay, so Zane's Bake Heaven is more than just a bakery. It's a community-friendly businesses offering a quality products and reliable services. So for the next, we will present how we recorded the businesses transactions through the journal entries and ledger. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Sofia Asha. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the journal entry, with the main purpose is to record daily transaction that happen. So for example, for journal entry on 1st April 2035, we debit 30,000 into bank account. We also credit 30,000 into capital account because Zarina brought in 30,000 into business as capital, and she deposit all the money to bank account. So that's why we need to debit bank and we need to credit capital. Next, cash sale on 3 April 2035, causing us to need to debit cash to 230 ringgit, and we need to credit sell 230 ringgit also. On 5 April 2035, credit sale happens on with baker recipe, so we need to debit account receivable baker recipe, and we also need to credit sales. Next, I'm going to talk about the ledger account. The purpose of ledger account is to classify and summarize transactions. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the T account that we did on bank. Firstly, transaction like this happened on 1st April. We debit capital 30,000 ringgit. On 24 April, we credit salary expense. There are more transactions that happen, but this is what I'm going to tell you. So, but when we try to balance, we get 31,184 ringgit with balance carry down of 12,447 ringgit. Next, the account we're going to talk about is sales account. We credit on sales accounts on April 3, 5, 8, 10 and more. But when we try to balance, we get total 3,550 ringgit with balance carry down of 3,550 ringgit. While for account receivable, we have 4 account receivable. So firstly, Amira Cookies with credit sales of 180 ringgit. Secondly, account receivable of under Sarafina Test with credit sale of 720 ringgit, Sarafina Star 750 ringgit, and Gulan Butter 630 ringgit. So that's all for the account receivable. And next we're going to talk about trial balance as at 30 April 2025. On the debit side, we debit bank, cash, furniture and fixture, microwave oven and more. On the credit side, we credit capital, sales, account payable under Panasonic Malaysia Berhad, account payable under Mr. Lim and more. And when we try to balance it, we get 50,890 ringgit on credit and debit side.
Hi, Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Nora Rawia binti Nur Azhar. I'm taking Bachelor of Office Management Technology. So I will continue with my part. So let's begin with the statement of profit or loss. The company recorded a total sale revenue of 3,550 ringgit with sale return amounting to 106 ringgit. This gives us a net sales figure of 3,444 ringgit. However, the company experienced a gross loss of 8,896 ringgit. In other expenses, total 11,537 ringgit. As a result, the company ended the period with a net loss of 19,483 ringgit. So next, we have the statement of financial position. The total asset of the company amount to 34,987 ringgit, which includes non-current asset such as furniture and microwave worth 9,890 ringgit, and current asset including bank balance, cash and receivable totaling 25,097 ringgit. So on the other side, we have the liabilities and owner's equity. Payables amount to 16,280 ringgit and owner equity is 18,707 ringgit. So that's all from me. So let's the next person.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Adam Haris. My matrix number is 012024020851. Today, I will be presenting about 3 important topics related to accounting in business. First, why is it important for business owners to have basic accounting knowledge? There are a few good reasons. First is better financial decision making. When business owners understand financial statements like income statements or cash flow reports, they can make smarter decisions about how to spend or invest the money. The next one is more control over the business. Knowing how money flows in and out of the business helps owners detect problems early like overspending or even fraud and take actions quickly. And the last one is legal and tax compliance. Having some accounting knowledge helps business owners avoid problems with taxes and make sure they are following the law. These can save a lot of trouble later on. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards, or what they call MFRS, when preparing financial statements. MFRS is the standard used in Malaysia for financial reporting. It gives businesses some clear advantages. Greater transparency. Using MFRS makes financial reports clearer and easier to understand. Investors and other stakeholders can compare companies more and easily and make better decisions based on consistent information. The next one is improve regulatory compliance and risk management. Following MFRS shows that a company takes accountability very seriously. It helps avoid legal issues and builds trust with regulators and stakeholders. It also helps the company manage risk better and better access to capital markets. Investors and lenders are more likely to trust financial statements prepared under MFRS. This makes it easier for companies to raise funds both in Malaysia and internationally. It also helps businesses attract foreign investment and meet the requirements for listing on Bursa Malaysia. Now, the next one is 2 common challenges that startup businesses face when keeping proper accounting records. The first one is lack of accounting knowledge. Many new business owners don't come from financial backgrounds, so they may not know how properly record transactions or to prepare financial statements. This can lead to mistakes or missed deadlines. The next one is limited financial resources. Startups often can't afford professional accountants or quality accounting software. As a result, their records might be incomplete or disorganized, which can hurt their business in the long run. Understanding basic accounting, keeping proper records, and following standards like MFRS are all very important for running a successful business. They help businesses owners make smart choices, avoid legal problems, and build trust with investors and customers. As the business environment in Malaysia grows more competitive and global, these skills and practices will only become more valuable for business owners. Thank you.